YouTube? It's your girl Boo, and I'm back, and I'm back, and I'm back with another video for y'all. So y'all, I know you see that thumbnail, and I know y'all read that title. I am doing my new phone review. So it's the iPhone 11, y'all. First and foremost, let's get into this. Let me just tell y'all, give y'all a little backstory first. So 2 days ago, I woke up, my phone would not come on. So I have an iPhone 7 Plus. I've been having that phone for a long time now. It's been definitely well over 3 years. I've been having that phone and I love it. Like, it worked. It did. It worked perfectly fine and nothing was wrong with it. It's not cracked. And actually, here it is right here. This phone was not cracked. It was nothing wrong with it. I could take it out of the case as well, just to show y'all that this phone was pretty much in perfect condition, y'all. I had the rose gold one. I absolutely love it because it matched my watch. But let's get straight into the reason why I'm doing an iPhone 11 review, y'all. So I ended up having to get me a new phone because my phone stopped working, obviously. So I got me a new phone. Well, my baby actually got me a new phone because she got tired of me complaining about my phone not working and just, you know, complaining, period, about my fucking phone not working. So, excuse my language, y'all. But the phone had me so frustrated. So I'm just like, you know what? I'm going to just have to get a new phone. So my baby ended up getting me a new phone. Shout out to her. And which I will be doing an introduction, a full introduction of Bae with y'all, because I had a lot of people asking me in my comments. So I will be making sure that I put her more on my channel. She just work a lot, so it's hard for her to be, you know, we work different schedules, so it's hard for her to be in every video. But I'll make sure that I do an introduction of Bae for y'all, so y'all can get to know her a little bit more as well. And I am going to do an updated Q&A for y'all. But anyway, back to the phone at hand. So y'all, I got the iPhone 11. Here it is right here. Let me see if y'all can see it. It is the purple one, and with the 2 cameras. And y'all, I am loving this phone. So that's my son on the back, but y'all, I'm loving this phone. First thing that I do want to say is the phone is very much faster than my other phone was. It's definitely faster. I can navigate through it a lot faster than my other phone was. So I'm loving that. Let me see if I can focus for y'all. I already see some of my apps are still downloading because I just got this phone yesterday. So it's still uploading all my stuff from my iCloud. So that's why I wasn't able to do an unboxing video for y'all, because I had to figure out my password for my iCloud and everything. So it was just a mess. But I'm doing this video for y'all just to show y'all how this phone operates and how awesome it is. So first and foremost, this phone is a 64 gigabyte, if I'm not mistaken. So I have the full expansion for I'm able to store a lot of stuff on this phone. That is super important to me because as a new YouTuber, I like to record off my phone. So when I'm on the go and I'm not necessarily at home with my ring light and everything of that nature, I really want to record off my phone. So that is the number one thing that I would say about this phone, that I love that I'm able to store so much stuff in this phone and not ever have to worry about me not having enough storage. So that's the first plus for this phone. Second thing that I would say is the quality, the camera quality on this phone, and also the video quality. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all that. Let me go to it. So this is the picture quality, y'all. And sorry, it's kind of bright in my background, so you're not really able to see it too good. I'm trying to focus it for y'all. There it go. Okay, so y'all, this is the picture quality. The picture quality is amazing, y'all. I'm loving the fact that I can video record in HD or 4K. I'm absolutely loving that, child. My other phone, the quality was okay, but it was nothing compared to this quality on this phone. So I'm super, super happy to be able to take my phone with me and record these videos for y'all and get my content out there. I'm super, super happy about that. So this is just a bonus to my ring light that I got. If you haven't seen that video, I'll try to put it up here. And that way you can go see that video, watch that video. So if you're a new YouTuber and you're thinking about, you know, what all you can get to make your channel better, just to make your quality better, you can watch that video on my ring light. It was very, very affordable. So yeah, y'all. But back to the phone, y'all. I am loving this phone, y'all. I'm loving it. It's just, I'm so happy with it. Like I told my baby, I said, thank you so much for buying this for me. Like, I'm a regular person when it comes to, like, I love electronics, don't get me wrong, but I don't have to have it. Like, it's not something that I have to have. So had this phone did not stop working, I would have just kept using this phone because nothing was wrong with it. I would have just kept using it because it was perfectly fine. But to see the quality on this phone, and now that I'm doing my YouTube channel, it just makes me super, super happy because I'm like, man, I can record my videos and it could still be in good quality for y'all. But other than that, y'all, the phone is just like any other iPhone. I will definitely say that. It's nothing really much too different, like I said, besides like the storage and the quality of the camera and the videos, and how fast it is. Like, it moves really fast. Another thing that I would say is they did send me a charger, a fast lightning charger that goes with this phone, and the charger is supposed to like charge my phone within like 30 minutes. So I'm definitely want to check that out. It didn't come with a butt, so I have to get a butt part that actually goes with that charger because it don't take the regular charger butt, so I got to get a different one. And if you could tell, I still got the plastic on this phone. Like I said, I just got it yesterday, so I still got the plastic on it, and some of my apps are still downloading. But I am going to get a charger. I'm going to get a phone case for my phone today. And I'm going to also get a phone case for my iPad today as well, because my iPad need a phone case as well. So it need a cover as well. Other than that, y'all, I'm trying to think if it was anything else that I wanted to tell y'all about this phone. I could definitely say, if you are looking to like buy this phone, or if you're wondering like, oh, should I buy this phone like in 2021? I would definitely say yes, it's a good buy, and it's a reasonable phone. The phone didn't cost that much, so I would definitely say that if you're looking for something with a better quality, like if you're doing YouTube or, you know, you're recording videos, I would definitely say that this will be a good buy just because of the quality on there. Other than that, I just want to get on here and show y'all my phone, my new phone, y'all. So I was out of commission for like 2 days without my phone, so I did not record any videos or anything. But yeah, I'm back in action, y'all. So make sure y'all, if y'all have any other questions, because I couldn't think of anything else to really tell y'all about the phone other than how, you know, those features that I just told you and how fast it is, and the storage is amazing. But if y'all have any other questions that I didn't cover in this video, just make sure you leave your comments down below. I do reply to all my comments, or at least I try to reply to all the comments. So make sure y'all leave y'all comments down below. And if y'all got any other questions about this phone, just let me know, and I'll be sure to answer them. And also, make sure y'all stay tuned in. Make sure you got your bell on so you can get a notification when I drop my next video. Y'all do not want to miss my next video. It is going to be amazing, y'all. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. It's 2021, so we're trying to get all our goals knocked out for the new year. And yeah, y'all, so that's it for this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you comment down below what you want to see next from me, and if it's any other questions that you had about this phone, about the iPhone 11 that I did not cover in this video. But again, y'all, thank you so much for tuning into my video, and I will see y'all in the next video. Hey.